Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Altcoins daily update. Guys, I wanted to do something different. I don't want to see Bitcoin now. I want to see the altcoins. How will they move? Are they ready to move upwards right now as Bitcoin might have another swing high? If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. Also join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more benefits, guys. So you can cancel anytime you like, but only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more. So book your seat right now, and of course join our Telegram group chat if you like. I have the link in the description down below. Right, we are a community that grows together. We help each other every day, and we respect each other. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go now to the technical analysis, right? And we have here Ethereum Bitcoin chart because, guys, Ethereum is like a major movement for altcoins, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to see altcoins, how will they move, you generally see the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin. Some altcoins just move independently because they are on an impulsive wave or because they outperform Bitcoin in the altcoin Bitcoin chart, right? And therefore, I know that there are many cases that you can see an altcoin moving upwards while Bitcoin stays stable, for example, or Ethereum goes down. Okay, there are these cases. I'm talking about the general crypto market. Okay, so right now we are going to see for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, where are we going? Because this is the most important thing. If we are outperforming Bitcoin in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, then the altcoins are ready to move upwards. If we underperform, then they are not. So let's see right here. We had this bottom right there, guys, on 27th June. I will just draw my Fibonacci retracement for more of a short term. And to this top right there, now we are correcting a little bit, going almost to the 0.5. You can see here the 0.062. We get this price label because we divide Ethereum's price to Bitcoin's price. Okay, so right now we are standing on the 0.5. So what do we want to see for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, right? After all, we need to just start to outperform Bitcoin. You can see that on the RSI, the indicator that tells us if we have an oversold or an overbought situation, the risk metric, we are going into 30, around 30, around there. So this is good, guys. This is actually something we wanted to see because we might start going upwards and outperform Ethereum against Bitcoin soon, right? On the 4-hour frame, guys, we are mostly for the short term. Okay, so you can see that the commodity channel index is already in an oversold situation. Another risk metric, not as stable as the RSI. It is more sensitive to the price action. Okay, so it is beyond minus 100 in the 4-hour frame on the short term, and we have an oversold situation in the stochastic RSI. So almost all of the risk metrics are in an oversold situation. We might wait and see till we see the RSI going a little bit at 30 or below 30, then we will fly, I believe, personally, on the short term. But whatever, guys, the case is, we are in a good moment to see a swing high pretty soon, right? You can see that the 20-day MA is almost crossing the 50-day EMA. Okay, so we might be seeing the 20-day MA crossing down and going down from the 50-day MA. That won't be so good, although, okay, it's okay, guys. Even if we see that, we might get a price pump up then, and it might be a little bit of a bearish cross, then we have a swing high again. We will see about that, though. I wanted just to tell you guys that we will go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are looking more of a midterm. So on the short term, we are good. On the daily frame, where are we, guys? On the next days, where are we going? And probably, guys, this might not look good, although we don't know yet where are we going. You can see that we are on the RSI between 30 and 70. Okay, this looks like we might correct a little bit even more. We will see about that. We might go even to the 0.06. Okay, so according to the commodity channel index, we had an overbought situation here. That's why we're correcting right now, guys. We check actually the commodity channel index first and afterwards the RSI. All right, so therefore, guys, we are expecting maybe a further correction right here, and the stochastic RSI is not in an oversold situation as well, so we can correct even more. So for the midterm, for the next days, guys, altcoins might correct in the more. For the short term, they will pump up probably. Okay, so for the midterm, we might correct a little bit even more. We will see about that though in the next days, in the next 20 days, 10-20 days, we might be correcting even more. We will see about that. It is depending also on the Bitcoin, how Bitcoin will go, but Ethereum Bitcoin chart might correct. Therefore, we might not be going so fast upwards like Bitcoin will do if Bitcoin will have any swing high at all. Okay, so right now, well, let's go to Ethereum in the no. Before we go there, we will go to the weekly frame. In the weekly frame, guys, you can see this. We are looking this for the macro perspective, right? We are looking this maybe if we have an idea of where are we going. And you can see on the weekly frame, we had a very high RSI right there, although we are forming a pattern with higher lows. That is good for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, right? It is very good, but we have another little bit bearish indicator, the MACD on the weekly frame. If we see a bearish close right here, guys, then this won't be looking good, right? The blue line can go beyond the signal line, and this won't be looking good for Ethereum Bitcoin chart. That means on the macro perspective, we might correct even more for the next 1, 2, 3 months. We might correct even more, and of course you can see also the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. That is good. That is good that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, although for the long term, guys, I am looking more the MACD, the commodity channel index in the RSI. I find them more useful than the stochastic RSI, because the stochastic RSI can stay in an oversold situation for quite some long time, okay? But the commodity channel index in the RSI, especially the RSI, can't stay there forever, can't stay into an oversold situation, for example, forever, okay? And this will be an indicator that we are going upwards, guys. So let's see a little bit now that we covered all the possible periods. I could cover almost the minutes or even 1 month, but this is not necessary, guys. For now, I will go to Ethereum USDT chart, and you can see that on the Ethereum USDT chart, I have already drawn a Fibonacci retracement starting from this bottom right here, ending up to this top, and you can see that we stopped at 2066. This is our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We want to see eventually if we will go further down from the support level area, you can see right there, or we will stop right there and go upwards. On the Ethereum against USDT chart on the 4-hour frame, we are not in an oversold situation, although the commodity channel index was in an oversold situation. Now it isn't. The stochastic RSI is not for now, but we can grow furthermore, right? We can grow furthermore. The point is here, if Bitcoin will have another swing high and will keep pushing forward too, and we hope that we will see another swing high. And these candles right here, guys, the next to each other look like a big bullish engulfing candles to me, so it is very likely that we might be doing another swing high for the altcoins, for Ethereum, and therefore many of the altcoins that follow the Ethereum trend, right? So if you see, guys, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we are ready to move. Okay, we are ready to move, and for the short term, although that is, guys, for the short term, but for the mid long term, we have some risk going on right there. And what can save us on the long term, actually, let's go to the weekly frame, is the higher low pattern that we are forming right there. Maybe if we can go to have another swing high, this will be crazy good. But if we lose, guys, this support level right here, it won't be good for the weekly frame, for the RSI. So for those who bought at the top, guys, you just need patience. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and you need motivation, guys. Never give up. You will make up your losses, right? And you need to trust in yourself, not FOMOing in and not panic selling. You don't want to panic sell your coins, okay? Or panic buying anything, okay? Because some friend of you told you that this coin will just pump up and you go in all in, or you are seeing the wave, right? Like here, for example, guys, you are seeing the wave, you go in late into the hype train, and then you just lose your money, okay? This is something you want to avoid. But before I close the video, guys, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / MindYourCrypto. You know all the benefits from the start of the video. And of course, join our Telegram group chat and hit the like button and subscribe. If you like the content, it would be very, very much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.